new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
The cow of a criminal for him, but you were Ŋdi Wɔna for government for Tony Magoya, but Damnam to Monpopoya call the Frache, Dumba, when I community the Cargo. The Batsoha, a gun on Gavalika, who no nine. Me government to play, Nyapa Sadoma, now, allo, Nyapa, the people. Now you can, motivational message, Yazanga, Ponka, and the Chumia Pontoma Fia, Akaka, Aide, Kanakata, Gogo, Sakika Katama, Penapugania, me, and Majoga, and a Tony Magboa. Ye, near one of them, Nama Zorango Barofiada, Prista, Pagaranchini, Alawa, near Ajunagas of Banam, Momopomne, and the Sitoplan, to have organization, Alawa. Nyajo enyaoma donc you baba ngati le Facebook da na emyanko sama no bino bia le beta du kora malo be asamianko kana ida pa ngati le Facebook alo ko ngati le YouTube ko emyanko sabe le YouTube donc you subscribe and hit the notification button plus when Ŋdi Wɔna goma na semyanko na makina le Facebook like share and comment on Facebook ka nya meoka nya pom le TV ya nya doja claim le 0242 6707773G 0242 6707773 enya kapolisi kenya kancho ako agara kama ka na le kana Malagana +2 33242 6707773 and you know Mike and I don't actual I check up in the Wɔna. Alright, Nya Ajagoma I either Nyapa motivational message bo don't you race teachers and ya make a Banarenchina Blau, Dodo, Platomogata, Tamadakuna Risti store, Alacata Group. But Ranchini, me one hour, Madapana, Niapa Hotichna Mechia, Mutoma Jipola, a Kenya Honorable Richmond, Adam Coffee Potosu, but he had Damagona Plaga, Madakana Vola, Herbal Clinic, or Dakuna Newsnews, Ever Dictionary, Banibache. Alaba wana taka kangeji yo nya ida nya motivational message bo not every step needs to be perfect to matter. Not every step needs to be perfect to matter. Ta bida kwa nyapa motivational message bo glomba manya fo shafo ike ni dena alo Nshami Ŋdi Wɔna Hiamba wa ade pepe kwa maroli a ugbabe mana ka ogo alaba uchiwa nama we amadeteko ka shaya wo yiyo lalam kosusuba yiyo nade afi odafo alo nshang na sogbe afi odafo aka nufianga gogo na mba manyana ma bazon ya lema. Not every step needs to be perfect to matter. sometimes just take a step, just make a move. Aro yo, do mi dana foro, mi dana foro, mi duagba, a jomino funcho CWPC inchi, alaba mi no, belong to aleke, oblamon, when you do oblong, alaba ucho for the investment. Le mokupon where you bona casino, to and o dana reji alaba la boko is where you nyale scheme, investment scheme mamako, you bona gatonye. You see, and even for my gamogata ugu dagaka, many of blanfio. Ado ya ajawa na tum ado ya ajawa na poleka mo danafu mokao amo danafule posusuba na nyale ka o danafu ado li ajawa ntona dafu be dafu bona fiara roga ka akbora we poleka datafula o danafu ka nyale ka maka dafu that not every step needs to be perfect anyway. Sometimes you make mistakes, but don't make silly mistakes. You make mistakes, you make measured mistakes, you take calculated risks, you make some losses, you bend your figures. Every billionaire was once scammed. Every millionaire was once scammed. And that's how it goes. So, Nanama Media, that's our motivational message for today. Not every step needs to be perfect to matter, just take a step. I'm a politician, so me jack babo no chayo. I don't know that corner on me that camaro. It doesn't matter. Mr. Abraham Lincoln will be Jesus 7 times or 70 times or something. Mr. Nelson Mandela no jail 36, 37 years, is that not? So it doesn't matter. Mr. Kwame Nkrumah not prison. I feel that on no beach and no prison. So once again, we bring the motivational message to a close with that motivational quote on your screen. Not every step needs to be perfect to matter. Just take a step anyway. And that's how we do it for today. All right. Mia Azorango, I akpo nkawele holiday.com news India. Holiday.com news le mia ofuno ji kana ina job nto ji na na bra atapino ko fun mo gbaja ya oji. Holiday.com news, but Mahama leads call for self-reliant African health systems. Mahama leads call for self-reliant African health systems. Corporate John Dramani Mahama go glombe. Ajawa mi Africa duko mi ajagba ba mi onto mi ajagba atroshle nyapa la masanya onchi nyapa betakponya onchi because when you go awe na mio and we have something like that mgona gagere nyamagbo le majichi mo Kwesi Pratt Jr. doubts Mohammed's third-term bid. Kwesi Pratt Jr. doubts Mohammed's third-term bid. Former managing editor of the Insight, Kwesi Pratt Jr. Imalafma, a journalist. Abogomba, Imaka Yiva to Copra, John Dramani Mahama, Aglobe, Nobukono Gachene, Yanya, Plagachola. Ye for party, and this year he's not sure of that. He doubts it. Mahama, so and then so we have something like that. The city stable despite pressures. BoJ, Ishama, Governor Ishama, Kenya Fota, Gajaro for Nonola, a form of Niapa Sibia, Gagba ya. Anong summer, never had Banga, Gagbanya Burmil, the Wobber Musasam, and was a summer Wobber. You governor, you my bloody joy, you my black bar, and you know. So we have that big bans MPs from using sirens without approval. Case for Sumana, but you can speak up Parliament for Blumber. I may shamik less out of Bahama, people will know you, man. Atashona bro. ke magakpɔ se ano traffic me kono ido pin pom pia kadina sisi mianya ko ano driver mamno dengbe to suwe no jena ni kana rai pletomo mama jesolo to attention flow. And Ghana ends World Cup campaign in 24th place. Ghana ends World Cup campaign in 24th place out of 48 countries. Nyata kaka do kwaji ba over abo ya mibapo America do ko me jwe kama de miajo alo yi ke mpo metumo mo pamio ele na no aga ka ma roblon Ghana le ya do ko kata do ma o won tefa fe and that's what I'll start the conversation with. Ghana ends World Cup campaign in 24th place. Ghana's expedition to the 2026 FIFA World Cup concluded with a mid-table finish as the British Stars were placed 24th out of 48 competing nations according to the final classification released by football's governing body, FIFA. The result reflects a tournament of fluctuating fortunes, moments of resilience, and lessons that will shape the nation's footballing trajectory. The expanded format saw Ghana navigate a fiercely contested Group 4, exiting at the knockout phase, a performance that drew both commendation for tactical discipline and critique for missed opportunities in front of goal. Analysts note that the squad demonstrated commendable transitional play and defensive organization, but lacks the clinical edge required to progress deeper into the latter stages against the opposition. All right, so Kirako, Mogada Gbamla Pewe, du Kora Kaka Blan Vonyi, ye, the whole World Cup coming for Yaman. Daka Ghana le blagofonie ebe mi le duko kata do miawe le afame mema ta ne duko bla nevoni nye duko yo ke le competition ama mio mikpo 24th position, so it's not too bad. No, I think this is bad. All right, so that's the first thing we have on sports. Na opo gandre kwa fandu zuchipia rehoge alawe prisaraba angarmo kwa kun ya ball non do ya ko no ball punta wa kwa mianchinya akunya mara. Okay, Muhammad Lee's call for self-reliant African health systems. President John Dramani Mahama has again affirmed Ghana's commitment to advancing Africa's health sovereignty, calling for stronger investment in local vaccine production, resilient health systems, and reduced dependence on foreign aid during a high-level discussion with leading global health officials in Accra. And the president met with the executive director of UNAIDS, Winnie Byanyima, and the executive secretary of the African Leaders Malaria Alliance, Alma, Joy Famafi, on the sidelines of the African Union Extraordinary Summit on Health, which has been hosted in Ghana's capital. Africa do kote pofu habobo loje ikeda kumya pala masenya uma takbam le ege. Kanu nola ne kikama du kote pofu kata berem habobo alo habobo loje kakbona berem famaki to call for nola nkoye wini ya ima bala Amerikanya Africa du kokata for habobo ke mona mudu ama dollar le ke yasna kwa afula le Africa kata kutu kwa amagai kenya joy pamafi okata ole jin ba ma yak mperiperi o alaba ole takopare ma be yo den ku moka o ji o gato akopere Africa chi le la musenya o ma alo betaponya o ma Koklola Boglomba, here by me Africa Tokatamia, Alan Kure, Mion Cleva Macho, Chito Botabio, Mia Dona, Mion Tomiapo, Adam Kawe, Moram Kawe, Galicia, Kenyataza, Kokore, Abaconjo, Chiha, Basube, Nagano, Abogisi Dona, Evo, no Peremian, Chiu, Nabatanya, Yaro, Yokaiji, John Koklola, Bukun Africa to Koklola, you know what a car. Da alo mana yo no ni basube yo kuwa bania ejeji John Dramani Mahama onya onye akbo ka COVID-19 va corona va over COVID alo vaccine abotabi America ji ababotabi mwanye modogo wo COVID no liafi bon kata ga obotabi nyai botabi agbe medio ni mo bo mo ga ba jolo pris la do COVID amu bo mo do ra bo abotabi o so ye woda sofo ma fa me Chris o ya kilome me plato wa ro gom mai male TV oji fi ko fun je one o lockdown sha no ko ta fun ji ko pon ga tani ma unyaro ni wa abotabi ma si na dia ka fiaba na Yesuwa na dia ya moto choba chishin Yesu chila ya ma moto manogo ro enyo ba mi afia ba ga gbogbo to ma enyo su gbogbo to za bu santo plato mo kata o li pen nya jojo e ujo ke ro enyo ba na nyon chu na do bi ma ko ke gbojo na nyon na do bi ma ka ji go o shi kata wo pula chuguru mono oge putu mutu kata kago kata zo chiyo ta ronyo ba do gate ba ya didi Africa bo susume nyo ko subara Africa na konya ona mi ta anya kata odi si milesia ayo nya ta ko mi kata minya ke nya poto mi bogbon fia ko nya ba du ko kla bogbon ba ni a o ba ro tayo nya be mi Africa tonto nya adengo lang so soma ba su ba na mu gwa ma yo ni a sra bo diara amachi nya do na nyoto mi anya nya kuma aro kwaji ba machi anyo na ma abotabi anyo ati nya ji mama no ya na mako gbo ba Moderna leto amachi aro ho ko be o ba chi kon ye ro nku dia COVID passport ho ba le yaro ba na do ba passport ma na mo mozogo ba ma ne be aso mo ko ba ma na so ta jo na bo ta bia ro na gba mo ba chai ma ko mo ho ro wa no jira ro wa no ma na mo ne be aso ma na ko aba yellow fever le kana ito ne be aso de yellow fever ma do ko na fit tete di ko to na no na me no serious lo Africa yeah grown to popular we have to be serious mi ba se ba machia machia recaro fa famo no na wo tabia ro ko bali hu ba zum gbeglo o lo ko bola ma le fiaro beto ta mahama onya yo. So central to the meeting was President Mohammed's Accra Research Agenda, a vision aimed at transforming Africa. The Minachi research now. All right. And y'all like Balmofun, Migakbo, the cover Kawgala Hoide, Afuma, Kafi, the military warrior, Li Bonam, Afi, Nia Aho, Domochicho, back near the parliament. Bagwilo, Album Bagbin, at a Shona Kulempyokata. Bagbin bans MPs from using sirens without approval. The Speaker of Parliament, Albert Bagbin, has issued a stern directive prohibiting members of Parliament from deploying vehicle sirens, probe lights, or police escorts without explicit authorization from the Ministry of the Interior, declaring the practice as an abuse of privilege that undermines public order and road safety. Delivering the caution on the floor of the House, Bagbin expressed concern over the increasing sight of legislators moving with unauthorized security paraphernalia, a trend he described as creating undue intimidation on public roads and eroding the principle of equality before the law. He emphasized that the use of such devices is reserved for constitutionally designated persons and state institutions and not for personal convenience or political showmanship. Bagbibe yate wɔwɔ dziyim le yewo tɔ doma le gbegbe le sɔtakpe hame. Wɔwi wònɔ gblɔ vuvu keŋdze tsɔtsɔ edziyim le parliamentarians wo doma le gbegbe. Ne yi va yina ko yakpɔ ko. Eʋue ma pimpɔn polisiwo le ŋgɔ he give eɖo kra polisiwo nɔ ɔkɔ fɔkpɔe kaka ya he give tɔ ƒo kaka kaka. Ke aƒaɖi va yi. Kashi akpɔ ʋua ŋgbe ko be o. Menye esu kɔkɔ MP nye ya. Menye esu tsuaɖi MP nye ya yɔ. Ese kple ɖoɖo le pipo zaza ŋtsi le Ghana. Míaƒe ƒowota se ɖo kpe amewo ke wòdze be woze ŋma. Dzi ŋtsi dukɔkplɔla ŋutɔ le me wòse. Yewo ŋtsi kplɔla yiƒe kpeɖeŋutɔ le me wòse. Ta nye ŋkɛ. Afi ame aɖe na be ade pipo yewo ʋu ŋtsi alo ʋu yi ke ƒle ʋu yi ke wode pipo ŋtsi kana le sisi miamia me. Edze me na ame na yi le Ministry of Interior enye dziɖuɖu ƒe dɔwɔƒe ke kpɔna kpovitɔwo, amenɔwumewo, ame yiwo ke kpɔna ameyimɔ dzidɔ kpɔƒea ekpe ɖe me wobe ŋutsu mi mɔ fia ame aɖewo le afi ma le awu me. Prisons, officers. Mi no yɔn de me be wɔɖa. Immigration. Wonya amenɔwume wɔ dɔ. Wonye dedzisrafowo. Customs. Wonya amenɔwumewo. Wonye dedzi. Dzɔgaxɔ dɔwɔƒea alo dedzigbalẽlawo ne be aƒu smɔglawo le ge ɔkpɔ be Ghana xa dzɔga. Amewo katã kple kpovitɔwo, polisiwo le me wòse wɔwoe le Ministry of Interior te. Wo gbɔgblɔm be edze be na yi Ministry of Interior. Bagbe gblɔ menye gblɔ mo. Edze be na yi Ministry of Interior. Kple susu be naxɔ agbalẽ yi ke ade megbe nu hafi ne people gba Ghana. So that's very, very important. Very, 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 very important. All right. Le akpa ma ke enya ɖe do go yi ke mekadzo nya atome tsatsa. Enye Kwesi Pratt ƒe nya ɖewo gblɔ tsɔ. Kwesi Pratt Junior doubts Mohammed said him be Kwesi Pratt doubts Mohammed's third term be. Amo gbɔgblɔm kokoko be dukɔkplɔla John Dramani Mahama ate ŋu aganɔ te ɖe MPP ƒe tiketi dzi be no try as president. I'm like, are you sure? Enya ya ne nya do mo ɖe asia ya. Akpɔ be MPP tɔɖewo, sorry, NDC tɔɖewo be tso it's possible be Mahama nate ŋu agave ya anɔ te no tsia ya. So people still say this. Well, nyamaga ɖeka yi ke nye Kwesi Pratt, you forget about that, man. Forget it. Veteran journalist Kwesi Pratt has dismissed speculation surrounding a potential second bid by President John Dramani Mahama, asserting that such a move would contravene both constitutional precedent and the president's own political disposition. Speaking on Peace FM's flagship morning show, Kukroko, Pratt characterized the prospect as improbable and politically untenable within Ghana's first Republican dispensation. And according to Pratt, the notion that President Mahama would seek to extend his tenure beyond the constitutionally stipulated 2 terms betrays a fundamental misunderstanding of the president's temperament and democratic convictions. And I'm quoting him. I will be shocked if President Mahama agrees to contest a 3rd term as president. Pratt declared during the broadcast, underscoring his conviction that Mahama remains committed to constitutionalism. And he argued that any attempt to subvert term limits would not only provoke the domestic resistance, but also erode Ghana's standing as a beacon of democratic consolidation in West Africa. height platform. Bonya jojo kakala rore. Manya de jonyo a prat haun kuma jemiasi. Obanya do moral fia joragbo ni blohu. Prat boglomba ye. Makbo to corpora John Dramani mama. Banya marike agavano tebe no chanya su president onyebe du popopro ko hihine na ma. Gana emile matogwe emile. Ni da kuku. Na du corpora fa na jefo. Ova no ye fiara mabubu na ba. Eyo kata glomola abane du corpora ma sinama wa. Masanya ye obe ya gbo acho a teto acha chobe ya no jiji ya intonya du koma ma fa fagani du koma ma ja fa alekai prat blonya. So veteran General Kwesi Pratt has dismissed speculation surrounding a potential third term bid by the President John Dramani Mahama, asserting that such a move would contravene both constitutional precedent and the former president's own political disposition. Pratt Beglomena Marumanya, ye oba Mahama, Mahama Manya, obey a Gaku to Quaka. But at the church, to Aleka Amos, Ota Sagome. You see, President here, border me, that, comme c'est que les miachina pour ta salle constitutionnelle, comme c'est ça, mais que tu mises avec border ma. Egbon Agmanaga. Alaba 2000 to 2008, make it will require. My meal say 1992 to 2000, make it will require. Make it year. So 92 to 2000, that's 8 years. 4. 8 JJ. 2000 to 2008, 4. Year Macau. Go forward. 2008 to 2022. Ye Macau News, Yemabaum, to 2022 to 2026, that kind of thing. Ye JJ Gatrova, I'm sorry, Mahama Trova, Bama Vashi, Bantomero, your position, Ye Nanava. Ta, a Baba Nanahava, in her 2 terms go wow. Nyaya as a journalist, Manya Goma de Machai, Manya Goma de Machai. Le Pratt un po chimema ka nyinya magbo pile ko na mama be ma. One of the problems will be ka do fia be NDC a chowa male ni NDC wa do fia be so he bagbara ka mali ka wo do na NDC wa do fia ba sie dun ke tia ha yo ke tanki to chachama o wenye nyi omula nya do bagbara lo tatia nto you have problems. So Pratt be it's going to be a form of precedence. Border Maracamelina, no. Alabama is a constitutional government, and we don't need any Supreme Court to come and tell us nonsense. We know how the Constitution has been interpreted. It is 8 decades. We are aware. You cannot have a new Constitution now interpretation by any Supreme Court. We are not aware of that. And in any case, the Constitution is endorsed by the sovereign will of the people. It's a referendum of ordinary Ghanaians. That made the Constitution what it is. The people will hit the streets. The people will hit the streets. But I'm a more like Maru Kudo, Wig Mobile, Yamaka, no bad Naragomania, Bomula, Menina, Missa Gomachimo. Forget about court. Amoja give the street Jano. Put that one aside. NDC and Tonton will not problem. Don't put your connect to your NDC because of things like this. That do fiaba mabu I don't get NDC more. Hey, KJ president, did we know Mahama? When JJ was a guy, did we know Mahama? So please come on, grow up and go for a healthy contest and get a leader. I go for a short break. I forgot the platform. I'm a trouble. Yes, Orango. Tony Macbo.
No silence ever English dictionary. My dictionary I so afi you pass K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view enyuna de vio kanu le basic level enyuna americanu le SHS enyuna americanu le university alo le language on na nya make manya gbegbe fiu e be a strong gbegbe kra ha Muslims ever English dictionary enyuna o ha amasia make na nya vi mo jura po e be a strong gbegbe ha Muslims ever English dictionary enyuna wa mama na le dile go so madana na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can call screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call Muslims ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe Muslims ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sportswears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie nine junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go.
Oh, what the? Let go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't pay them, go to Boye. I too much try to toy. When you want to kill.
Oh,
Never for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that is not a grammar fever. I can't lay a party to call for Boye. But the husband did not fear. Coco not do not forget a winning ya phone of Passy Bunny who went on young Kuroma. Well, a Passy Coco for Yahokatara.
Well, when not to go,
Vai, but I can lose to go. It a big that the Cremont on top. Vola Patica, Wusiel, wait off here.
Ira vola tobo. Yemon no Chicago. Mokpong jaja.
Vola chika no pla. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanya za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fofo jijila ama.
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512-1452.
Bola, bola, bola.
Nina nemiayi, bola basenta. Afima mi apota yola, nyadeba bola. Efi valo, akulori le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now. Achite padaka, ufuto makata, mele to wonyi dewa. Eti makolo no ba, na ile vola heba center. Ikele jengo apla, Victoria Park. Afima na kodo wotu akame wa wofuto wofukame ofukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva na kodo. Come on vola
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vi kle de fi o mo hopo wi afau.
The source. Minority want to make judgment has major defects. Minority want to make judgment has major defects. And if you do you can sort of hammer on law want to make them more and yakurim more Georgie. If you have a Barodian Kota coming and but Lord, Family of Apostle Sappho finance plans to state-scale burial. Family of Apostle Sappho finance plans to state-scale burial. Apostle Sappho kataka kwa kumato ube yo BoyeWednesday mleo. Yo sube yo di yo fufu yo togu yo komo family. Apostle Sappho baby yo rigalo uri jawe popular who mid-year budget cut for levy to 50 express Quebec. I work as a forcing Jajarube Ava Afle budget. She have a first that Sandu is of any other for Afam America for Mapanya Bonaka, America, to do for Habobo Yoka, she Habobo Yoka Pona, and Panya Yubo. Ajogadeli uyo yomba levy ikanu jani ko uno ho mnyashi bilia no choti algo mnyano 50% from Quebec gallon. But to make case government weaponized courts against rivals come. Kojo upon one that I'm like money before. Cho continue on the Karashi Agolomba Judua for propose and by your tour one yale America woman dead Raji OSP charges against Ofori Atta MT US judge. OSP charges against Ofori Atta MT US judge. Wow. America $1 enyayo kisi ajabi ikinye office of special prosecutor making you don't go back to kuna you magama for simo bomba nyaya kisi ajabi chore ofratantia and ball MT operator your charges against operator here MT US court finish.
Korea tabeke ispeyade. Dokobe never know anu me kukuku. Evidence de kemele nule kebe ewaleko. Tanuka jore ya chimejibiago.
US court were empty. If you have empty, it can be by evidence value or alo enyao bromola enyagbagbariku. Okay, but wo never know banka na amakbamye nyanaba amanabo even US jet will the charges are empty. Why should he waste his flight ticket?
But he's still a Ghanaian.
And so what he has chosen to be there.
Okay, Ghana will save you. Ghana told me if you be jabole miaji. Never did me make me. In a US VGG, or he's not a citizen of US. Even though background teacher la, any citizen. Any US will save Olumia Ghanaians will save. They are never be if a siko. He may 150 the cocoa never did me go whoever he's free to do whatever he wants to do.
Yes, ye mean no bolo. In fact, ne would do a na contact. And I go say, well, she don't chifia. If you're while America, we will have a lot of Blomania, Dakar. If you and ever Ghana, until OSP Ragoba is a fugitive of justice. Nyama Nagbamonsa, where was a Boluma, Shindala Boom. Arushinda la Contanana, Negana, Tonchia, Itawen, Yarako Pojo, Namaka, no Babaco, over them that are over them more of Blavet. A hold, a Punya Bonana, that in a abology can of Punya, use Boromia, ye Marhaglia, Marasi, but plan. To plan B, and cover medicine never. In any case, Magbunyana we have an inalienable right to freedom. Oh, Jimigua, freedom, allow blood there. Any trauma where Munanare, any total Mishamashi were on a blood. That one you told Legafiaqua at Puring your woman. To the Safi, why you have Boga for let them about for my bad. Number poor of Mamma, Bogochi, Nishan, Bona attack, but glass attack is inherent, is inalienable. You cannot be an alien to that right. Tanama Boba Yemoiga. It done a Fiha lawyer. Yeah. So we have to look at this thing broadly. Ebo Brombe. A lake Kishaja Ben Joy Ben Chief of Justice Naiko Bro. I will nay, but nay, va the woman here. The Koye Lega Dare Fiarequa over in $100 million.
Many is go to demo.
Okay, Chafma. Nyagomole Nyalo. Approach Azayo, the Bozako Lia. Doma he not okunya ne bia na to a de uma he no kuta e gwada I can see a jabin press no see ko press maybe that's where the problem is was not povito be alarm ajo na jaye
e fudu bona we me ko kuma si
you see na bonnet thank you esenya you get what I mean because the right to liberty is inalienable tayevu du koruma na ulama the prison you share because he has a right to freedom. Though the right has been limited, and still, the right cannot be quashed. Everybody wants freedom. And that's why even in jail, you still have freedom. Prison officer, you know that kind of thing. No. Not the prison, prison officer rape or prison officer maga prison. So we have to look at this thing well. Anyway, the Supreme newspaper. Final preparations. Apostle Sabo Nyagalefia. Supreme newspaper. Final preparations reach climax for Apostle Emeritus Professor Engineer Kojosapo State Scale Farewell. Mele Bobolo. Final preparations reach climax. For Apostle Emeritus Professor Engineer Kojosapo State Scale. If you have a stage funeral, make a stage scale. You will dig up a music.
If you are a driver, who does it? A ton of any like Boye music.
No way, over driver.
Only at least when I break the Benula duty. Because I mean, I put it to Coco Jacodaro. Raja, a two plate of it over getting at.
I just support it. Where America.
Very pretend of
that would have the Tagonazo.
I know. I carry you.
Okay. Noble state scale near security, none of that. IGP. This man was larger than life. Number four, Sappho Pod, no apostle, Sappho, Susagoro, Sappho, apostle, area, Louis, Sappho was larger than life. But na Sappho Vaina. A blue Zana convoy Capronero. The president was larger than life. It was a great honor. NASPA reviews program after personnel raise consultation concerns. NASPA, National Association of Personnel, National Service Personnel. Okay. NASPA, National Association of National Service Personnel. Yeah, I'm look National Service Home. I'm look the if you have done a G-Ragman. Over Garada move 60 CDR. So back over Prestige Group partners government to build affordable homes for public sector workers. Asante Man Koka mobbed by supporters. Hey, Asante Man Koka mobbed by supporters as he completes vetting. You want to say Koka? Party Mato. Arnold Dompre emerges best performing member of parliament. Oh wow. Oba Arnold Dompre can you sound my do a treat over so Taklahami, I don't know that one like balance of for the young MP won't have our that can I put in now. So that I could not go near
it. Manga you play as a apostle as a photo. The way papers will have blood, and it's going to be something very, very big.
But state scale. I mean, I was here, yeah, and I keep talking about it. Oh, Wado, Taswa, Tobuda. Police look at one, one. That broker, the convent, wow, that was lawlessness. Oh, one. Anyway, Daily Statesman, anyway, you want to know how more in the Daily Statesman, which is a good one. Final preparations underway for Apostle Sappho's funeral. Techi Mensa seeks re-election as Central Region MPP Secretary. NPA alleged 78.6 million scandal unsubstantiated. Asare Bafo leaves Ashanti MPP Youth Organizer race. This is not justice upon Nkrumah digs into Wuntumi's conviction. U.S. judge finds OSP evidence against Ofori Atta insufficient. That the statesman da Lenyauji upon Kumapanya Galefia over Wuntumi of the moment to more Jojo.
Don't avoid a book.
Well, America to come for Atta when you out to drop American judge say you got no.
There's no evidence against them.
Because you're not about caution. You are supposed to come for caution and you are supposed to come for investigation. But the problem is OSP. At that time, I had problem with OSP. He just love press. Nfiare ko ba radio station. Na jojo kakala ka bo press conference. Ayi ayeni no ma. Justice ayeni no ma. O jango do re gbo jojo. The many jojo do pe nya court. Many radio station pe TV station nya court. Nviareko is a physical or and ama suspect like you have a personal agenda against it. Kakro ko mo ga nicely go. Nyareke blogo me media akbra ma poko dongo. Abla man boko if you nyali kra ba nyare man ye on. Asinpio no baba ko clap ko lama. You know what I mean?
That's a miela dore America to come and voyage.
The press conference. I'm a Munyame. If you are American judge, you're going to move on tomorrow. Uko wa manye minister of finance. Uke na bawo.
Evidence that Camelio.
The guy, see the book bedi. Actual consolidated fund bank, central bank, allo government of Ghana, allo Ministry of Finance per ga. Yide ofura ka account ma. Allo epo government of Ghana for get a mobile money man. It's a big margin you full of
evidence.
So I can never sign deal. I will like a percentage. I have like NDC turn of Gonamiva show Jacob the Gare the data bank 10% in that fee. When you rhyme over banana whole central, you want to Yama ball. You want to Yama ball. No percentage, I mean, you don't know more. No. Doya over data bank no kuna kana commercial bank over bagara we kawakaba when you don't know mula. I am not for Uforiata, but I'm just being a devil's advocate. Man like about over US judge were problem. You have no case. You have no case. US judge, Mele NDC mo, Mele MPP. US judge. Mele NDC mo, Mele MPP. Mo for never know. You have no
evidence.
Taka Roma hina dola padima na imo by this time because that insufficient evidence would have been sufficient.
Ask your quiet, please.
The new publisher, Oferata Baba Polo, na Yavuba, Yavuo, Akbamonyo.
I am a fool.
Yavua, do I say, me, Macpomala, never gonna. That was sufficient. Because their laws are not our laws.
That one. That's last Ghanaian. So you have to come back home.
I don't go Chikata for 230,000. 2.3 billion. Damajalo 230,000. Yet I owe you almost 4 years. That's what you get. Fast track high court. Who follow a Gavimaro 230,000. Boom to me. Obe. Gabo cathedral. Oboyo cathedral. Take duko government bache amenya kesuyo cathedral. Ola mara. Joyce, Reverend Joyce Aye. Reverend Joyce Aye no ke secretariat. Kaka jiru troha gala secretariat buni chofi o banyo. So,
I'm a very secure position.
Hey, the new publisher, Speaker orders MP surrender your sirens, police escort. Shame, teacher defiles girl 12 during private classes. Shame, teacher defiles girl 12 during private classes. Minister holds 60 allowed deductions. Minister holds 60 allowed deductions. MPP unites behind political prisoner wound to me. And now you're the publisher. Bag we go grumble people not talk tell the parliament. Me okata kumemele. Me chok ba me akwane kubito. Number 1, number 2. Teacher there. Kabashi them sukuvi kokwebi varenchi over your class 1, extra class, private class. Private class. Oh, the teacher.
Alo suku kome.
Ya barama glory kaka apa when you go la ko kwana school class ko private over private class if you have a private you have for more back. Ministry holds 60 allowed deductions over PPR minister over Gamara Mole national service program. Mogana susu A boy so boy job for boys. Nto nyebe Zeus, nka Zeus, nka.
Egamele de denami
wo hara yo vuvu. Zeus. Ne dana mare don ko ko de biabe Zakaja. Zakaja lo nogo putro limite. Daka over Zeus a. Yo Greek bobo.
Ni ayo.
Greek mawu. Ya over da over daka training. Lujoma yoga da chiga.
Egamele de doro.
MPP unites behind political praise na won't you ba you let you ba ma la be opu my mama wa ni o kata ba ma wa
o ga ga me ke mi ta o le da bi olo
ma be de political praise na e ya be ama la pa da ipo mu na do mo na ma di so
o nya le ko mi ezira
e ga kenyo ba yimo ba ga mo be mo na yi be no bo no so and enyo na ganye political prisoner had enyo na MPP have us over chichi berekare o che system amokpo makawe wo gbara enyo to
chalo mi agaku
you get what I mean it's okay
it's nice
it's okay so enyo be ma tell me on board na nya fiaro na go be ekpolo ko budu nye electoral commission go buja no ye jiru to ko mama ko abo kanyo muganya gala
kotonu
nga chimeza to komisa to konye we menye Supreme Court judge ko that to kono ya onyela electoral commission ya ko mensa
ekesi na re
Charlotte se no yin mensa ba electoral commission ya ko la boren me mai mo na mama campaign opuna baka agbobe uti be ofia dia ta ko nya buji o nya announce ko eko produce ta le ka ko shaka ma ponyo
taban ko de ke kame gali di
we
election ga bonare no ga vako aga se ben ko la ya me
da ka ni me dia forever shame teacher defa jo over teacher mo yo bo mi ko teacher le funo ji no mo blong ko ko ya
science lab
ko shame teacher ya ga blong pla ko ya ko be ba ko ya ko isi ni teacher ni o ngbe teacher me chiche nya ma ga ho ko na ma nya ma chiche lo nya ma ga ho as an influence for authority ya be am chiche onye nseleshi authority le chita do other abuse na authority ma daka ni ma expect that there should be resistance the views to go no blow no battle
at least
they can resist that of one the view no nya bang as a governor and as a dog then a kashi
below kan 12 years minor
damaro be 18 aka kama ka ba so wo be yoga di
16 plus
1 enye
if you be ami ejebe na make sure be 16 years kimi ehwe menye be glo na be 16 years na 16 plus and ami chebe nenye gbe ni be nekere plus 1 enye plus a day or plus few months kimi Vone me va gona be me 16 ya ni pule mi agree deji we have sex allow me one deciding ne ese vagede nyame to ko be ni kwa me ko below 16 kini vo gona e va glo be nyebe nyi nto egbele na we it is still defilement
o ma mi magbo de e be de bia to mu agimeta o
ka ko wa esenye be ewento chejebe na anya ne no susume na ne me
na gbo gana card
na wo nkemi opete vo matana bia evino be penene eviwe ho nka bia go vinye wa che bia ko de vie ko wa that even with that
be date of birth
okay
unto na calculate
so even agreement le nye pli we do me krala so far as e ganya chiwu mko agbona ba sa that time na I am below 16 I can't think for myself
16 years you to chacha street
I'm only below 16 crowd vigigas according to the law and they are still minors
okay law more but parliament craft ya fiola kumaza tanye mwenye law nya problem ni nya wo na nya bio ni nya fie nya bio plus gbegbe na chi Esseli. Erokuamo magro ina koto gagbona. Kple police o nagare nano boye koto ama gagbo. Manye pama promo baba bia mari. Nke na fi nyon de vi o moten resist na mbegbon.
No le fi na wen touch.
Ah, eji de vi akaka 6 years anpom. If you can review 2 years, come from 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, 11 years, 12 years, they don't resist. They don't show sign, they don't report. More Gmail, video, I make photo Boye. No, we are the plunge, science plunge. You don't call Udoreji. And well, me expect, but no, we are the Muralo, I don't permalo.
Elemene yanto. Enyanke wa olede.
Ngbegbere tote mi ka bere semebo. Ngbegbere tote. Now, amaga hugu the kasha marebeji. Ile ya mechi omo idere branya.
Teacher blibo enyo, so you have to know all this.
Adumpe. Mesebe de biara ho no ro kutram de so teacher. Okukwe bi enne. So ya to akonye mo chiglojo o la ba me teacher
na. O chi wo be feta.
E de egbere teacher jo say I miss you. Ola onya bloman. I miss you. I miss you, Agome.
Come miss letter, teacher Noel. I don't talk with Tanamone, teacher Severo. But I didn't resist. Anyhow.
I want to see this sign where non viewer, if you know, on phone and non view, and be able to resist what is wrong. A bloman. I never moon. I don't more free. That one is a straight case. The law will favor the minor. I get to me. Yes. But parents raise the children, raise up your child in the way they should grow, so that when they grow, they will not be bad for them. Yahu de want to be a no trova, as I'm going to Priscilla.
Oh, no silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary, I can't so afi, you pass K. No silence ever English dictionary. Standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view can the basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo the language you Nanya make a maneuver by you. And they are strong but the no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I must make a nanya by the Mujurapo. And they are strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile ko so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya ko no silence ever English dictionary akwa conveno akwa no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to Boye. Tanya too much toy. Boye worms, killer.
Oh,
the mother of fun. The mother tell my two. I'm not go.
that Ŋdi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukwane gbogbo ya wa. But husband di dile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nfura wa. Bola pati ko ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Mo ti ko ku no e plolo.
Vai batakanyo sugo itabi gada de secrement tonto. Bola pati ke wa busielo weto fina.
Mayire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miapa toto wala toto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato motoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Ona wala masa. Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata. Alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu. Wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu. Le hoa. Apo le old fashion le akwe. Kala hwahwea. Gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street. Wojango local rice jwala atututu. Opa dopo le budi gba ochogbe. Chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina. Fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa madashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apoto yola nyadeba vola efi valo akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achi de padaka ofuto makata mele to woni de wa eti ma kolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa wofuto wofukame ofukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo fofo
Toma chuchuki ade mami ba ho ko suwe nya aho beda si chomiolo bena afi nya pa wona nya bodo ke beno ya julo gbanu macho nya ke no nya bom no so tonto tonchi pompo yenye nya mai ke ba tung be tichare gadung be tichare gadung beropi avec caché sukuni ke kokori ke alors que me ko yo ya poli ko na no seminara da nyama ko ma jo ni la bi da ma so nya ko to ma jo mi ka so kan gwa ko na jo pa de tabaro ma afi nya dole nya pa na onchi ke na mi zo rango nya po daily analyst. Ofriata still a fugitive. OSP calls U.S. immigration judge. Ofriata still a fugitive. U.S. tells U.S. No, Magbomamianye. Ofriata still a fugitive. OSP tells U.S. immigration judge.
OSP remember silenya no. Melo
Ofriata still a fugitive. OSP tells U.S. immigration judge. Kisi ajabega go na America bon dollar ba bay. Olomono. Ofriata aburo mamonya. Sefa aburo mami echi la sebo lojina Ghana. Olo malo. Aboba pocket lawyer nyona. Me court me dogo. Abutri karokova ni dogo now ko abutri karora US. That is America for you. And US over detectives, detectives over to US, is that not it?
Yes.
Over Abutri Kaju. I call out on a shop. And Mimagbo, Mira Shabuchi Kaji. May Nemine Gaga Yoko me. Now a whoop, Attorney General. Me, America. Abutika go ye one touch. Ele yo go dey champion. Dan amemi go boy jaja ba ma bia yo program se. Abi abutika ka no kota bia.
Eno koti. Eno dele Ghana ka.
O me sentence o lo. O program se e simplify ma. E so le Ghana lo. E la pa. One touch jaja. Want to me chose trial over plea bargain, Deputy Attorney General replies negatively. Want to me chose trial over plea bargain, Deputy Attorney General replies negatively. Over want to me when the carry over a Hugarele exit bank body. The macho over actually do Elicum the Yamato. Over you had you know what you're blowing out of a leg garden, your her no her that one I do be nice. Won't you know? Don't tonight. I'm all more with it. Boku piano. Oh, Boku piano. Me, a court.
Last year, Ole Degamo, a mocheli who
I'm even what Yamala more 20 years. If you have him about Jamamado, over you are here. Jim Bengabu Bulia. Mabako Garella Bankia, Mahega, no, you meet the Lapoma and Mahega. A Garapoma, as a soul Garapoma. Would you let me caught? I'm a moho go. If you have a bona, I've was so go back at the Bunyama. Ye, as not a young couple. Nanya de May more. Nanya, as I own mole. Over if a lawyer attach every no now you a bit more the strength side in deputy attorney general to Sanyalaga operator. No with them maybe
yes
they can do a plea back in Kajagaroka then Yakbala Yaklada. Jamie don't buy my wood.
20 years.
Yeah, 20 years. Speaker cautions MPs against unauthorized police escort sirens. GJA, Ghana Journalists Association, 6 members input to revamp media awards. Over Nyajokaka, Najokaka, Habobo, Ganakata, Hamidu Biamonuto, Brother, movie possible, media awards now. How would you revamp it? Why would the award die? Over no go one city, no vote. I think I'm an average as journalist.
How would you?
You're not serious. Why should you monetize everything? Mokpongma social media if you are over each other if you are over Volta media personality award. No vote once. I'm a over original politician now I read 2,000, 3,000
no vote.
Even at time over 3,000 times for 3,000 Kata. Organize us over. Go why should award? Why should we?
Even in secondary school, tertiary places, when people are going for position, what than a code whether you American vote is 50 pesos, American touch once.
That many guy mava will over the best because if never amending your best code, let there be an independent council or team of judges. And learn what my own or Chuamia, but no vote free. I don't even
vote. Should judge for you. But I'm only got begging to me.
I don't care. I don't care. No, the gamma, I make the gamma do here. Never I'm making a best
Anya. Anya.
So what that's why New York Adults will use that. It have GJ 6 members able to revamp media awards ahead of historic 30th edition. Ghana Journalists Association wants members, but we don't have any. World Gold Council Lands Ministry deal. World Gold Council Lands Ministry deal. Ghana gets $250,000 boost for responsible mining. Responsible mining.
Let's come here.
Responsible mining for where? The informer. Tribunals for what and for who? For to jail who? Comment. Amarebe tribunals for what and for who? And you have your tribunal, the Macau tribunal.
I believe
NPP chases Mahama over alleged galamsey petitions against NDC officials. NPP chases Mahama over alleged galamsey petitions against NDC officials. Over Amaronia NDC dog galamsey. You took a call to Mahama, go as a galamsey town there. Umaba galamsey over only concession only in Babanaku and Mulama, Kagabani Amaru. The ha over young Kakadegata, and Bangaba, or something like that. But galamsey Mori. That can never block it so low.
Oh, that is how it is circulated. Over illegal mining. So I think you said the paper the card cover but many illegal mining alcohol want to meet them, so they should at least stop saying there's more to it, more than the illegal mining.
Baumia Galifia hold tribunals bill consensus first. Baumia to Mahama. Eba Baumia de Ndona ba Mahama. Obe Mahama. Oji body fasting and late, oji body pacing slowly. Bojidina bill consensus. Everywhere now move one and no. Acclaim now move that Saddam and we play Saddam. Bojidina Saddam, we Afine Tapina Nyauga now. And Yarama brought your way. I say, you go what's out there, won't to me more. Oh, will MPP money. That you should know. I say, because I'm only here to want to be the mama. Want over money, want over Nana do Danko for the time over. Tribunal, I am Yatano Tribunal, I won't remember 24 economy before we had big push, a more meat for more like me for asphalt, a more general share before we know how. You can't get in a name and an Okuvio mobile Bosusman not Povaro. Every valley near one for no va job. Babene will va job. This is like a Lomano. No va job by your position. Trapping our crowd was fast track tribunals here over crowd was. Nana Adudafa Kufuado, you know, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Yes. Office of the Special Prosecutor, I'll go from there, for a calculator. OSP denounces U.S. court ruling on Ofori Atta, says its case is not before any immigration court. Says its case is not before any immigration court. See, I just they talk too much. Reshuffle signals quick government as appointees and party bigwigs tussle for positions. Ober Mahama, Minister Roller, ye what? Shawome.
Masrao.
Ome Mamasraga Totomiam. Reshuffle. Ububoge. Achamuta Mule. Mama. Now, campaign now. Mahama. Now we next to Mahama in the Baburia. In the Batoja. Now we that play now. That's why you cannot go. Job for the boy. Sam George. Very sharp brother. MPP fails on own dagger. MPP falls on Old Dagger. Chairman Boone to me, the chronology of events and the questions that refuse to go away. MPP falls on Old Dagger. MPP don't talk about Akumehe, see over here. 14 years on, memory of President John Mills lives strongly in my heart without my presence at Asunze Park. So, Badike Abaya from Mills, Yawun Katan,
Okay, at a middle school, I didn't break the female. Kake will be on your never collect. Never for me.
Over 14 years. That by 14 years. Yeah. Hello.
It's over
21st. Yeah, 14 years. Okay.
I'm happy to tell me do not could. Colin.
We get together enough here at no school.
No, we class 1.
That like taking enough in a sabat at no school.
Jen, men have been made sister and dolly over at a nose kick the bucket. In a band of Kivani versus me, take a pawn or cabiva for 2 buckets. Meji Jokononia Bocho as me clavi, oh, at a no school. I've been taught love Vimelo. Tava be area metopito van noy, you love you fa. Tamia de Vioche mi va tolle mi agila or la vifa, what a no school.
At a new school again, mammy, final.
Oh, as I've been tontolo. Leke ko abe amekuna ko born and ame bafeme. No fafa prime. A blue bow alo. You know, so called the local. Oh, Fabio. Ole dile TV jikramedo.
Okay, I'm going where no. Oh, no, national service on more. That no, national service. That new school to look the Krakata must talk for must taxi phone call to look see for so many hours. Oh, you're going to come a look bongwa, look come a row, become a letter for maybe more. Let me come over. Every day about Zamaduha who and for Nana Lilo to visit and I can't see my national. That would get from to Independence Avenue to Cavado Pavina to Cabo Guarda. That's what I remember. He was a great man and Cocola Pocua, Cayo Mau. You see, a fiao. No la gavo kwa mau pasila. Mama kwa you know. Basa refia you know. Break over run square maruja. Oh. Just seriously.
Okay, a shock. It came as a shock though that you're not compared to me also.
The run square. Yeah, I feel because man knows you. You understand man knows you and ma wo mi pon.
Yeah.
Daike mi baku middle school. Aliu Mahama Baku, Bakwesi, Emisata Baku, whatever Myanmar be my job.
Even 8 heroes, Kiweche, it was somehow, it shook the country, but not that much.
Mutala Queto, Ayokele, helicopter chopper mama. And Abamobo Kukuha is a turning point. It's one of the things that took away Muhammad's honeymoon of glory. Trust me. Eka Mahama Nonia, Eka Mahama Vateka, Kafu, no Mama Kafu. Hey,
there was this joy in the system, yeah.
No Mama Kafu. Eka Mamonia Ku.
Look at everything.
Kafu, how the Kuba Trop, Kafia, Aleka need to know, Nana. Akufuaru. Ike iya go. Anyway, Metrolens want to me fights back. Lawyers line up 20 grounds to crash centers. Hey, want to me fights back. Lawyers line up 20 grounds to crush sentence. If you want to be senyala oko aforope blave aroko darayi ikenye kpochocho alo mi kegble le vombanto alo fiagbape kocho iketa want to be more so and the kaka bomba blave 70 reasons why that sentence should be crushed.
20 years in prison time.
And there are 20 grounds to sue the kaka bomba blave iketa ojewe what to for sentence man. No shit. No shit. MPA rejects reports of 78.6 million scandal, says Auditor General found no financial loss. MPA, Bobrombe, Auditor General Bobrombo, your Dagboro Bull, over maybe Past President extends lifeline to Agbozume, Hokwe flood victims. Spring Park President extends lifeline to Agbozume, Hokwe flood victims. Owechida Mula Agbozume, Hokwe Apianjo, Mero, Wakoro Jona, and Moma Poprama, Mokuchi, kple, Dollar, Yawa.
I decided to check the Moluki one in the Lamia.
Owechida Mula. Top of the House, Anodombre crown best performing MP with 98% approval rate. Anodombre in Sawama Dwadri MP best performing MP. Owa to Ponamo o Nechiamo. Beto. Those who have to Ponama, one Nechiamo.
Free screening, ice cream, free ice cream.
Over breast cancer.
Okwana paper vivene yiden kutogono na we based on the description.
That yeah, I'm moving by them. I let you not don't bring on me. I will let you see a moko. Amaroko bandage brown precagino, but oh, I don't pray. Every victor. Is that my joy? I don't pray, but I'm all right, Nyakpo, the Accra Times. Afoko pledges to restore MPP's pro-business identity. That's a good one. Padi Afoko, no China as chairman.
Okay.
Hey, I'm no chair, Kakala at Bobady. MPP, oh, now you are a chichala. Taji be apupo ya truma be albo na be yo nya chichala wonderful backbone months Jana's demise oh backbone ma ba bo over adoto agbo over
20 South Africa okule yoko cover
ya ba iko kojo ya
pe la me le kokota o fla yiko yi akeva kule fu.
Oh, you know somebody. That cool, that good boy. That good idea. Elegaro.
Oh, hello, Boda, not.
That would just go malo.
7 days.
I mean, the Christotoro, Alato, Ala Sumona.
My carriage bear, Ala, Nikiron.
I don't think I managed to 24 hours.
And okay, even when you are Bukari the second. So I think.
Bukari Mahama. Okay, Mimanya. Tamina Shakman. Go to South Africa. All AI transforms, not replaces jobs. Unimac director. Unimac University rector. Unimac. Unimac. You can support what the AI. Modern don't wear but don't wear your local but manya go baba yanyanirato baba ya tudo agwa wo grombe AI baba ya nyamudo computer it was just like AI.
Yes.
Jam paper pen ledger ruler
just to make work easy.
A computer I'm a AI prompt getting. That's why we say prompt. So Richard Adwick upbeat about victory. NDC Bilsa South chairmanship. I do for campaign for Malaysia. But NPACO leads awareness for driving petroleum industry. National Farmers Day receives massive boost. This year, National Farmers Day is the bonus side. Mohammed's agriculture transformation agenda. National Farmers Day receives boost. Over December. Okay. Very well. Okay, me is on going to paper. I don't know about okay, what's trending so far is maybe OSP. A lot of people are talking about the OSP. I'm on Puncho, another branch. Okay, the Daily Satellite. Want to miss conviction, a monstrous injustice. Want to miss conviction, a monstrous injustice. You see, politician, O Brahma like O Ganya, I see they are appealing. That Okoka call the court. Appeal processes are triggered by the lawyer. Now Okoka call your own double court. They know the judges. Do you get it? That most of the time appeal are most of the time a worker. That a criminal case, attorney general, you decide the court kai benya. So alabe konya no never go where Arabia. What we konya for that it's like the law is back of you because you are the complainant. As a government that we konya that in a konya for you nyato decide your konya for your court. Your court they are local. Over Bema Yimovo. Yembo, you wait more than 10 years because you won't go that code. And your lawyers who appeal, and your lawyers who won't have Coca Cola war for court. Okay. Cotica Joe, that's what I'm trying to say. To trigger the appeal process. And then with black bar, police or attorney general, but one black bar, then they will get there. And no, what job, attorney general, in the stream cycle, ayeni yao, you get no tanner, na ayeni, no stream cycle in a court. Seriously, Afi, what they want to me more. Na attorney general over, ye trigger appeal, yeah, attorney general, me chijera nyamova. Dynamic how you know. And you're going to say, for instance, NPP attorney general. Abe kuhuto maike no gbogbo jakpa be egbo be jedware. Enko dia. Former attorney general. So imagine attorney general gbogbo na jakpa be egbo be jedware. So imagine amama over jog berekare be amama kuni attorney general. No ko nyama ko ekota. Ma jichigere nyama. One of court him all right. Kaka aleke wa as statutory jiru papaji at twafokpo anyi gbo sube amana numwa to go realize that go over my lord this was not done, the other court did not do this. Oma we knew oma na yo time na mama na neko jaja na jaja be nyagbo mo la because judge is not interested in any matter nyama vibe na me fa nyagbo ge what no. That's why their emblem or sign is a scale. Ajaban na gluto me na gluto kaya nyasa based of nyayo bro mi la so you otimi le aleke mi saza me kaba wonya ajo da nova appeal ye attorney jabu bala ma o courting kramo baba mo o courting you are net default judge amado. These are some of them. Anyway, minha poupa para cavarora por na pouca chega minha break diária I will trouble minha comment so don't put it 0242670773 in your number because I'm all for the local 0242670773 is the number I call I check out the Daily Searchlight want to miss conviction a monstrous injustice attach malo your lawyer na want to me says Atacha as he vows to battle Supreme Court. Says Atacha as he vows to battle Supreme Court. You might headline on tomorrow. Want to means conviction a monstrous injustice, says Attack Achian as he vows to battle Supreme Court. Battle Supreme Court how? But High Court in Nigeria ruling on it.
Yes.
So how is he going to battle Supreme Court, or is he going to battle in Supreme Court? You can't go to Supreme Court without going to appeal court. Want to miss conviction, a monstrous injustice, says Atachian is okay, you can end it there. As he vows to battle Supreme Court, I don't understand. Supreme Court does not handle criminal cases. Supreme Court handle constitutional issues. They don't handle criminal issues. Criminal issues are handled with criminal courts. If you are not satisfied, you go to an appeal court. So please, attach the debate. But me attach on your blog. Minority declares legal battle over want to make conviction. CID uncovers major human trafficking and cyber network over cyber crime network over Lambono to common over a dolly La Paz and a sales girl. The Diapo then go to Delta, Abado Lagos, oh, about to beat the Togo, Abado Regimbo. Don't value, non view don't value, Pepsi Mobile, can I do a colleague of Minava? I do the motto.
Poor client.
Police Olamo. Amaron, your phone if you view machine boys, Yahoo boys, G boys, Gmail boys. Ogalo Subo. Accra Technical University Outdoors Business School. Accra Poly University, if you have a business school, as soon to marketing, human resource.
Don't go.
GJ 6 members proposals to review media awards ahead of 30th edition. We don't have time for you. You should know what. Okay, you can put it down with that.
Yahoo boys they say a good way. And even the girls go to other countries. I'm sure over friends are over. And we may to confirm whether in Ketava Polowedo it is going on well. Alumele Yero, Ogava Comiga, Fudu. Ellen, you know, I am your ton of your clever from a Tomel and Dowa.
But Taitan Tamugaba. Dukor Momonyo, Nigeria Madam Danya Donala, Amaru, Wagana Pia, Uba refugee, but we now quite from Nation to Garage back on.
We know you, Matango, no, over wire.
Oko, and no Christmas year, no year to God, like that. The bottom of my what we no, but over your children, computer, low sheet, I would know over computers. I will a computer. Hello, yes. This is the chairman of the
me wait on you pull them and you have a blame over you. You'll ever date.
May you want to Jima?
Oh, what all over Gare figure, Kejiko, it's somehow low. Fraud Nyakimania Benyas Banto, Eleva, Valeva, and don't touch any ability while you are at a high risk. Okay, Ejiko.
Don't be at the open whenever $1 la pass over auto beat over Janima, you Pamagamba, and Pamagata, you to it over the network.
Okay.
The human trafficking network. Go where Chima, you're in a motto. You go to there. You born a church woman in the ship. You call her, she back on church. You were not dressed, you do church work. banking out. Do. You want to go well and Cabato. You can wear to play bikini bra. I will have a race. You want to do it, huh? You want me to go for Papa Comatos or for Bag. Papa, no, not for Bag. When you do for Papa, but our family. Abana doja wolo egbe me go o bira hom enke e do wi ka ya ni do be do ga ro do e do we do e no e do ga mi na ga na plan dudu o le ga plan dudu o ba na moto if you are moto yo ma ga gbo me ba yo ma ma amaga ba pa gu ga ja ha ba na ma ga be yo yeah. If we are Debbie, I've had Bonama Gabba, no Yoma, by ye doma ye do. Yamagabo. Whenever, no one, whenever. Ye Yomo. You Yamagab, no one ever, you know, if you never. Oja introduction to the trade. Sex trade. You just go back here. Vasu door, no hold door. You see, miracle. Me you don't cut when a gun at your Babla, I know that young the Jew, so I know that young Jew don't count, you reckon that young
the demand is too high. And they are child global. Let me just satisfy my mood. My mother.
Overview National Service one. Mapodo. Shine and oppression.
Anything that will bring money at all.
The National Service one. A high hokra. Student mattress or what are from another plastic chair hammer of them. Well, a rice cooker, a car you call the nursing training. Share for them, baby. Jiwela, Nelly Owe, the new center. Parliamentary Committee assesses gold boss impact. Parliamentary Committee assesses gold boss impact. I don't know what headline road they are looking at. Parliamentary Committee, I'm a kind of committee. The gold board in your Jew, Dope Pona, Shika, Pashacha, with the Magana, Sami, or Padaromo, Magaromo, to Parliament, or your Parliament, who will rather put a Bobo door and Bobby. The people do all in that it do more we do offer. Tangi are the local accounting. Parliamentary Committee assesses global impact. Your financial statement, your management account, your net report. You understand? You may go report and you're calling in one having a shareholders will not analyze. It's as simple as that. And government representatives who can the Magbana all the government they should do their way. Okay, I'm a guy, Bobo, Parents, Bobo, Over you assess global impact. How will you assess the impact of global mid-year? How? Impact on Parliamentary Committee assesses measure for research for over never assess impact on what? Parliamentary Committee assesses global impact on what? On the currency? Headline where? Assess what? Do the financials see their profitability? Let the technical people, stakeholders probe the figures, auditors look at the figures and see their profitability and all that. I don't get it. So, anyway, NPS failures contaminated fuel sold to consumers. Every time I clear, the National Petroleum Authority, NPS failures contaminated fuel sold to consumers. Over Ami Jamul and a moment, brother, thing they sell, I say no correct. Okay? You might have to go jam level, but it's possible. It's possible. Nah, I don't know. Seriously. Okay. Coca picks #1 slot, signaling ballot advantage. Nearly 1 in 3 Ghanaians living with HIV unaware of status. Nearly 1 in 3 Ghanaians living with HIV unaware of status. Over Ghana to the car, Shadeka, le ton chatoma, you can see Isla. Omanya.
Megala beg bank in Michi, Pifia Machili Nedi. Machically, I'm your documento.
No, topic I never did. Over Islam. Takamanya. Tamaton Shamaton, you can see Islady. Eh? America, la meton shamatoma. Omanya, Tana Quamaton, the fear. Islam, America, Islam. In your topic, Amachili, yes. Yaka problem January America leton. America leton. Islam, I'm a talkata Islam, I'm a Venyaba Islam, America Islam. That's the problem. That what would that lead to?
Before me ever dictate, it will be very late.
Ne Islam, Yemenya. You like living normal life. Nkawe matagble.
Atan spread you. Yeah, chemenya odeta. Atan spread you. Ana me bubu chele manyama nyame.
Ta ke ube ni do bodo ya kacho. Ube bodo ya kacho me shamo. Opogba shenyimako. Domino, Isako, Cabernet. Snapchat generation. No, Amanyabo, do, which are in the oh, you look so beautiful. You be a boss in Governor Pujana.
Nedo, Ubadura never call it.
Ubalawa.
Take Uba.
Okay, take Marakabu. Tana air you more about boats.
Boats.
Tana with a fungi brother.
Okay, I'll call up to my radio.
Ta who doing a Kakanaba. Go for Mali, Uban Tonton Haro.
The Kadequino, okay, my poor making me Yago, Cheme Bossibo.
A couple. That a doma, Maraco. Over abstinence is key. The abstinence go more. Over me, very human, very human. I am the Gada. Near him, no matter catbo. So, abstinence, #1, faithfulness, hello, fidelity, #2. Ye alaka blow nami abstinence, happy fidelity, no sexual partner the cabo, strong low, hello, America. If you have contraceptives, knows a condom, in have a monsieur, you must go over woman in a particular troop. Fifia esala monchi daka maganye dikana po. Fifia esa maganye dikana po. Maganye na monitor. Chano abuko escribe diku. Tana me diku bona pa. Can we suspect where?
Esi alo ajeto e.
0242670777. Mmakukwada yichi ka o chodara ya halo. Dai time gagana ya magbara ba mai afata wuto mai acho aka isi la nya jojo ma mila kura miyo kanya human interest issues. Me okay kanya for la mosepere pa gbe. Explore ma ba. If you are sorry for problem, you condom tin na osa. Na ma blom sorry le ma if you are sorry ade le woman, we ma condom. No mu via be ma yi mo. Ntumi abe ma yi. No be bo we bia ba we. Aba we bia. Ni ma na ke pie mo. Ntumi abo ni angania do ye manyanke beto ano beto ko ano beto ko abe mama pomo ano beto ko abe aba from na ru da nka ge me na chomia dia
o education ene ga no vavalo ebe education ese ugba
aka mu Moyo unte gbe bo eyi me nya bia ko bo ba chika liba ya ba chika na education now nka to what
wo fife vodi to enyebe ami ocho mele nyanya be no le yewenu ole chichi de wonu gale mama
ala ba chika
okay
ame eton me amomo bo unya ta yi ne nya be na ne le ma kepe ba fore de gede enya veli menyaga ka jeshare kama jechemu nya haro
okay
ala ba wo de dollar ku chisanto pra timu adanyi na afi otie na dai dollar ku chisala mu a timu adanyi na afi ochichige ifi a timu adanyi na popo afi jeshora ro jejem actually ka wo mo ko mo sem da mare likra e male chipo kra ale ol abe la pura ale mal no ile fia tria nan makomoda nana kama nyom hadeo
abialo kene ovachide ne olenu e kakaka la be mi cheku be vale nu abe 5 years ka pe vaje dictate be lenu ne yikojide amachewe would they still help you
bromem lebe dollar ku checha aduna echina baduna stage ada ke HIV abazo it
okay
egbe tane HIV kenya human immune virus ever so 8 okay ke fuma edada ba sesena da ka ubene okpe kaba wo antiretroviral namo enana be viral load adol chicha ekotora buka ka baru na teka magate dudu gencho ya marabu alaka glomoni. That early detection and early treatment is important. Dollar shada no quick cover. No or chiramu. So anyway, once in a while, I will HIV test. That's very important. That in course of year, never will HIV test. If you are my bone about chicken, that nobody who is a major collapse.
A collapse.
Major collapse. Emana no taguma be na testa oga elo aro ele aro mele emana no taguma dai never will test awa you gonna bo male mo amaro le ko it koruma onya popongwa me ogama ho eso
ese chemenye sex ekukuku yode
amaro jide viokra o jide vi vanoviaro ntoa obere ka ho eso ka ho eso almost a gomo uba gere mo ka obo bono via de ka enye ntubu buto emu jojo fialo bono via ka nye ntubu buto de ka ga nye ntubu e be non via agio dogo agio ve dogo hi o to ba to ne entoso ati ba to bi da ntu akoko asigba to re mo de ka la fuma nke be to ga yin tumu bo ntubu wa fa Chigalo ashevelema ya chievo vale jibolo mana nyongo
audio no nyowa
a muno no rido no dio no ke ko kwa mareka ko nya gola something like that o gara nyama bu debate bu kaka ba go ko bia via ufo atano jibolo mana nyongo da onye ntuvu oto ala be ya fi ndi ba ya do ta ajire kacho akutura kama munga baki ye le mama Ashirika basu HIV free. Ya marono go rombe chawe HIV mala ntuko lamo HIV mala stem o won mavivie agbe ko research gbogbo na tu is na mwa na dugo ko ya isa dela lama taketa mara oba amaro nyongwa islam mala nfamu musagomo ogarwa enfa fia gbo me nya ma doctor me nya journalist you mo that you let that it go bagia it go you let that whether it's science, whether it's law, whatever, that's journalism. You let that be a little in that go. Talabom Legenia in a Bible test. And you kill the baby or la manifestation. Basavia, Marek Makutane, it's Haro, Mimak Pochito, Mom Pochita. Rabamama dollar loan. Ta umata chika bogani taka amwa pa mbagmla yeji da mola ko it's an toma dollar lo no ikabo chika na ko ne ba ganara nya ko immune system an bula immune system an cheko ko suba immune system atanga fight sicknesses da ni treat mo le bo don se immune system an go fight o don immune system an fight ta maro ko du exercise ko to and na boko immune system le so standard that it's at no for 5 years now. My chido stage arabo. Amara how detect is like 6 months ago. Amara ha yonya gbenebe islam kekatogbo. Baba bobo me sumo yo koi. You va detect mo ako still bobo me sumo. Still bobo me sumo 6 months ago. Da mi lam kura mo mi but there is no consensus in medical scholarship on HIV. If you have a chance blama is no you join 1994 $5 $8 laro go that there is no consensus in scholarship. Eshaya nyaji de jilo graba coronavirus ayoba nana do dan kwa kufu ado abin to practice. Ala do yo ne. You shall make that will boost our immune system. So I think these are some of the issues, but it's bad. And research about chamber age level, Akbama Majimapota, age laboratory regions level. And yeah, we will research as at last year of Katu South, Aflau, the area amount, what we like that. That's what we were. Magabo o nyafan to mamala agba fa nya gban no mabu magabo o ye program sama ya masa we banko agba bagba na nyela we a na nyela we anya gon say it's not a question about o yo maro banko, it's a question about un todi a shadow do un to la njo. That's what it ba ko nya repere mo. Oh, okay. I don't know that don't show you who you know, particularly your man, particular show. You know, me, I look to check edgy, because if you feel like you hear me, ne Islam, then Melaja Jagelem, a global ya, neko is talk with my casino, is to my one devil. You get crown, no bag gonna be Islam, no, I trace do QBTI down chela. Umanyami katutu nuwe kwelo. I mean, very cautious of like me run and have day-to-day life activities. You know, at least every month that I'm gonna do a check. It is free. Now you call you a check for $100. Oh, it's free. You can't go a video for $100. Ever check for? I check every month. Almost every month. Oh. Make a father. You go around. Over nature faga what check yeah, it's just we pay on kwelo. Da na a minute na nya fe result avana. Less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes a crowd we so but within 3 minutes they go. We na go check go ele. To ko le dege menya ki mayon kinele. Ta aje plus minus turnover positive. Unya invest no over negative check.
a doctor metan show na be le negative alo positive uta ne so nto agbona be mejebe ele negative alo positive uta na gatrova in a week time alo in 10 days time na gava
ami nya osamlo na dodo ne o over trafaga o wa futu na mo po eslo ma kana se nya ko uta shafara lo konji kana nya kon to no test ma ka over pharmacy alo ga
pata we ne gere
pharmacy ya ko nya official pharmacy hata no ya do test no ko was na ba go nya le doctor mo ma se mo ma you know what, let's take retro of the past. At least let's take retro of the past. Retro in a dollar in Spain, you know, knock off retro. Okay, go over no right test. No right test over this man.
If you can, you know, Vinay Kojikra, never decided wine. Pregnancy testing in Bantuana. Because a pregnancy is very a science where fela omega nya be blematotimi aturu kokoko amedokron no na nchomenya be yufofo because they have their daily life normal thing many food they say they check ale dodo gando so
mi nyosema nyogbero no bana ba mu ma wo ba tro mo zo mo mana
aka bi anya ko 9 months dere juero make me abagi
dukola gashike po ma ko ni ya ma trova ma do Ŋdi Wɔna akwachi Tony Boye kple Priscilla ya le nyakona
no silence ever English dictionary ya tepe but si dictionary aka azon afi e passe ke no silence ever English dictionary standard ton ya standard ya enyuna de view enyuna de view kanola basic level enyuna amekanola SHS enyuna amekanola university alo le language na nya make manya be view e be a strong be kra ha no silence ever English dictionary enyuna ha amasia make na nya be view mo jura po e be a strong be ha no silence ever English dictionary enyuna wa mama na la dile go so madana na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can call screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to Boye. Tanya too much ready toy. BoyeWednesday, kple.
Oh.
The number for fun. The mother turned my tomb. Come on, not go. Oh,
That Ŋdi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ketikwane gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena didile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fo gare wonye ya nya pono pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nfura wa. Bola pasi ko nya koko katara gbe.
Bo. Mano chiko ku no e plolo.
Vai batakalo sugo. Ita mi gada de secrement tonto. Bola pati ko wa busielo weto fina.
Oyire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no ple. Na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miapa to do wala to fita. Ita nyeza vola chika. Miato motoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina nemi ayi Vola eba senta Afima mi akpota yoyola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fude now Alele le fude now Domaru le fude now Echite pedeka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nidewa Eti makolo noba Na ile Vola eba senta Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park Afima na kodo Wontu akame Wakuto Wofukame Wofukame tutu dokada Vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo Come on Vola
kadon kwejiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yonu na
Polo akpana mi Ewenyigba TV akwenya Tony Magbo le nyambo enye miaplon le Prisla le Wɔna 0242670773 enye kapolisi ke nyaten azan acho abaje film cho nyajojo chi ke message so babam tamino rona ma o kana getia the Ghanaian publisher Dame age clash over Hanan trial want to meet jailed and fairly minority Bagman orders MPs to get export approval. Parliament hails gold boards impact. Parliament hails gold boards impact. Headline are Funame Amopalo, Parliament hails gold boards impact. Parliament hails gold boards impact.
Parliament hails gold boards.
Parliament hails gold boards impact.
Parliament hails gold.
All right, so Dame former Attorney General, but everyone called him Dame Domre Ewenyigba. Dame put for my part. Dame play Attorney General or Hanan in NAFCO where you got the corner a blee model I could show popular o jajaro play o to jajaro to come view na mo ba shi ba ilechi but ma for nyara ban oba figaza alaba oba friend na ye wo dara You go over only I'm a good the provider that you go headquarters. Oh, and I can hear a more $1. So I don't power is transient. Want to meet Joel and Penny and about that. Back when I'm looking at people's name. Parliament go board the one pa heading headline Parliament where have a Parliament Hills go board MP all the GRA must have in your mail. Yeah, settings, headlines, yeah. Anyway, daily guy operator still facing criminal charges. OSP said I remember a long
because we said we were close on Koyo.
Now, if you were not over a pony at Parliament assesses gold board $16.11 billion gold trade. NSA under fire over 60 Ghana City Service allowance deduction. National Service Authority for Domaganya Lafia. You are under fire. You are under fire for chopping people's money.
Egamele vavade dudunu. Mele de chop. Oh.
You come about 60 citizens. Begbe. Ya national service military people. I never knew the national service one the banker open that son about one.
Oh, okay.
Every national service woman 80 cedis in allowance. The Kenyamo national service like Calbank.
Okay.
150 no. So 150. So we were big boys among small boys. Yeah. But even that I'm one of them now. That around for me so now.
So imagine more about the 60 cedis level.
I remember Gatata 800,000 80 cedis. 80 cedis. So, me the cuckoo. NSA under fire over service deduction. AG Ghana pays tribute to late na Attorney General the Buyana Europe 34 fight for Ashanti MPP executive positions. Obama black on one, so we are want to know that. 28 suspects nabbed for cybercrime, human trafficking, arms deals. These are some of the headlines. About hello, let's go ahead. Okay, nyawe mo 0242670773 in your number is Wado nyare go nyare no ma 0242670773. Africa Today. Why Wontumi was jailed? Abo semita older Wontumi. Bloggers or Kumati Bako, Corona, no one. You go quite a Wontumi for more over Wontumi more about Ganam. No over Mary Capo Ganam, when you're Ganam, so over Wontumi war. Africa Today. NP con misrates with MP commiserates with thing done. MP commiserates with thing done Milgo and Bogatanga fire victims. Thing done Morgo. Everyone doing yellow. MP commiserates with thing done Morgo and Bogatanga fire over Jordan Bill. That's yeah.
It's a good.
Am I many are not thing done Morgo?
I can call it to give
Ting Dol Morgo and Bogatanga fire victim. Corruption crackdown. Muhammad drops bombshell over MMDC's NDC chairman and executives implicated in Ghana. Hey, over corruption. Ejim Zango 150 MPP NDC man. Mahama the two Boye. But if Mama Fiao but she man no kata all the kana sama kemi mo ite kata da pa me po government enhanced students welfare da pa me po last year over yakle chiwa over to school or new 4-story girls dormitory blocks learning experience at Beki Abetile con Gofco da pa me po to better school get fun kwetore ocho gapofu alabo to no pone non sukuri o dala ola gof as a gof electric Beki Abetile Togbi Azagba and Elia urges member citizens to return home for the 70th Noto Festival. Bulamafan to Matobi Azagba and Elia Maria Shan Babakot. Yours are a blood then 70th anniversary. Mahama and NDC government deliver hope to use through sector reforms. Maganya Blom, Dr. Secretary.
NDC to miauche milevime popove wele amule demole illegal mining. Dana me do gale nu ke me fe ko no jasi to tro wa no fu no detala le mi because over court vivi we egbona na we all of it too better. O jagbagba. Mo tasi.
E ka ben to NDC chairman ko reporter.
Be umelezi jino geda ore. Amegubu ole vavaga vale nkudo chove enyamere.
Miro kota onyame kota mo hia ba. Even ame ogbon yo ko mo de kamo. O ebri ogun chacham.
Ale ke wele fumo me cho basa.
Ebo mi alo ko ma egbon.
Kokolo ke na tokura
ame yo kata wo chegram. Legatato o mo progota mo. Amo yo tagba jojo re o treji itobes
avuviku
exia o da ma to ndin plafon gbe 1994 phone ika uko treo ko ngbo tutume echi kokima ameva don ni dolele ame ha dolo akechi kokima itobes mokata tre mokata me ko dona mamu ko na stop as a plastic Charlie Kakere, Ghana will figure and don't have a bobeko because magistrate you can put on a was secretary.
You never know.
That member can drop over.
Any of you, you're quite by the video as you come. You're making me
no mistake. We'll go to the charge this community court.
What you told him already? When I got the felony, yeah, they kaka.
The custodian, before the court, want to me sentence is justice turned upside down upon woman. Dr. Shina sues Haptel for 5 million. Will fight for justice for Wontumi minority leader vows. NDC fails on senior high school double track. Banks write off 883.7 million bad loans in 4 months. Yeah. Oba Agajaroko Udo Garamo. Lefe amemi na pepe njimbanto na oma Udo Garamo mugbo mo fa. Omo fa ho bgala je na gbono mo fa ko mo bu gabachi ba ro fiara. Ejebe wasu agba ne ameke
Doga
da bank yo ke doga over no regalo over da 883.7 million Ghana cedis ye o the yemen bank ko kata Ghana kata go to the moment no for jing bank on no last year for bad debt so
you work Coco one hour from January
because a one will have your over annual reports. Annual reports will do now for Jim Banto Tom. Kakabai is that time for Machine publish a report. Ta Bank of Ghana de bebe na chogaro karibe garo chogaro no hia bi be ga onye do na shichala o jadi le bank for here bo CEO ma credit officers mo branch managers mo kata idomo rabe yo maga fiano be amona ga ne lo ga ko bo ga me yo ko fo na customer la be yo ke ga yo to ga na government ya lo to ga na mo mo poga ka ba to o re ga mo no doctor siama Bank of Ghana boss Ewenyigba again for
thank you etane mbene yudo Ghana mi awo very search ni le cafe aka mere oche ro ko do na ko ba ho na garo gbebe yo ma hefe eta quick nto wa kporo we awa ta we de ba fi ma ngolo nko we de given ba me fu be to be pe case kere the way every paper le when I do get it have a die down every injustice making have a die down, but let's see how it goes.
All right, me daily graphic. No salaries without approval. Cabinet directs MPs. Cabinet directs MPs. Public restricts police escorts. Anyali ho one people I'm a guy.
Who do that to traffic chemelo?
Yeah, madam, di na double parliament.
Yeah, tano uli do via ambulance ka gbere ambulance vai na kamule nu fule nu bele meswa. Ya ko be minister kwa for moto pli vuwe chire du kure nu ko mi asenu.
Do ka mo parliament.
Am yo dollar na London.
Ta we cabinet Bahama kple yo to mo ga we kabanto mo ga MP aromi de show normal level at my over yan
I do feel
kai menu
ntemi kwa menu e vai na legbe kwa de over arrival na me de bia one day when we ke mi gbona clean voice kwa vai je ko everyone kezado.
Christ the King School marks 70 years of Catholic education. Was ma Christ the King Christo nye via oho for belante supo nyalo le Catholic school. Assemblies of God Pentecostal Council commiserate with that one. Assembly de Dieu over Baba and that one. Media economic review must focus on revenue mobilization. Economies. Ganchinyala, ma gbọmọ padi so gagmona. Lọ́gbọ́n ni budget kan go no control revenue mobilization. Economies are na government money revenue mobilization o ye jare dollar for 2 years ya. What over nya man? What over nya? You need an economist. Anyway, so now we'll play the Chronicle. The Chronicle. Grabber plus with goons to rob master. Police recover 300,000. That you on my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the card senses. On my now over Padisia or driver plus with goons over Bukula ba gara katisha bakwe atobli au ba ofi o maga ni fu maga ba no chu mona yo hey stop hey no figa ta o dila 300,000 o buati so bito walo ala o kugalo. This inflation era over, but economy still robust, says Dr. Isiama. Dr. Isiama kaya kuta gajaro ko ejikbola, Governor of the Bank of Ghana. You know gadung no dadane Ghana banko yo gadung no. We are corporate culture about the common for my kaka. Still I'm more passionate. Final preparations speak for Apostle Sappho's state scale funeral. Over Tia Kakadabo. Yo, Apostle Sapo Dibe, Manya Bola. Go board to procure a gold traceability system next month. Sami Genfi. Yo, Napo. Ke Banea Utadea, Mipona Monia Tipini, a shy. I think another scripture here that I trainer. Me, Namonia.
Psalm 62, verse 10. Put no trust in extortation, set no vain hopes on robbery. If riches increase, set not your hearts on them.
Hey, bon, actually, over Proverbs,
Psalms.
Salon Fagbane.
62, verse 10.
Tabla a devil of a video, Salon Fagbane, la devil of a video.
Put no trust in extortion.
Madai, yes, Angula.
Set no vain hopes on robbery. If riches increase, set not your heart on them.
If you see money, don't be too sure.
Money is the root of all evils.
The love for money. Alo, Ewenyigba. What Gano, the love of money is the root of all evil.
Because for power generator. Person security personnel the generator. Oh,
guy one
Devi po gawe kran na odo tapepe me amechicho odo na to benu funu cause asi egale.
All right, let's go to Facebook. Miakle messages so le miagbo. Miakle messages so gam so miakle messages so kabaka wawa. So we go to Facebook. We have some messages on the screen for us to look at on Facebook and name your Facebook me wa WhatsApp me. Na to WhatsApp baba yi the YouTube fisha kini mi akpom la ngo na ngara kuma ma message so jin fi akpla ta fisha fi message so la bo ma ja po akhla. So let's go to Facebook. Let's see what we have there. Sly Danba lo Dumba fight against illegal mining. Chairman Wuntumi's sentence is a deterrent to others. In fact, in Sawam prison, bus has started loading in Sawam going. Sly, Greater Accra region. All right, Sly, Wuntumi moyo ya anya kborem kanya nyarem na galamse ulokata efonye ubamenye galamse wo mamande galamse kukwenye agbavito shika kukumano sem menye galamse ye wo akuntam maini le sama boya menye tepejio no gele gogo bisanya gomalo. So we leave the one and we go to something else. Nyagakbo message Buguaroda 0242670773 number da we kawakawa kwa. Efokumaro message ram to hoko ebe mi hagbendi Tony McBoy, big respect to you pa kwesi practice the talk sense, but I don't see Mama going to certain watching live from Boye. Over Nyagrom Pratt level, Mama got Dorothy Boye, I got to square for. So, Yama boy, I am a poor Mama Taguama. Mama Guamania, a poor Mama Taguama, that clear. Mama and Chimo, over Michigan, Bonka Mama. Please, it's not a question about Mama, it's a question about the nation and the laws. All right, part do message about Benjinami. That part junior analysis was sharp, but I doubt Mahama will even try to meet new faces. Okay, part do message now. So for the ever nya gon prat la nya new ni la ka ma ka yo nya mama maybe Even Mama go who are still.
Phone against looking.
That can move if a boy should know by radio. Boys are already me, Mike Akachi, about this guest. All right, and those MPs with siren should be arrested, not just one. Mike from Akachi. All right. Mia Zorengo, Miakbo, Kofi Chotakla. About Bendina, me host. Kwesi Pratt Jr., they doubt Muhammad third time, and I agree with him 100%. Ghana needs rotation from Takla, Kofi from Takla. We thank you for that message. For Maulibe, we watch you live from Fodome. Tony, you educate us every morning that siren ban will bring sanity to our roads. I think these are all I can read for now. 0242 number. Give me a Roger claim. Anytime later you can always communicate with me. Okay, message Karo Gava to Facebook, Kabaka Maga. You know, I need those messages. Trust me, I need those messages. So I'll read those messages, and I will be done, right? 0242 670 is a number. 0242 670 is a number. You can get them as I'm a race teachers, but premier chipla who never children. I you have a race teachers also now. Race teachers the powerhouse, the fragile hotel, but to never do BNI junction. Let to Polima in a BNI junction at a promotion I do BNI junction at all. Race teachers like my way to now. All right, in that when a mau Wufomo and Konya Maupomo in that one. Okay, more messages are coming. Yao Eduji, more fire. Thank you for that. Mary Holanyo, well done. More fire, throwing fire. That we appreciate that. Vero, we're proud of my Gi trainer and kudos to Ewenyigba TV. Proud of my Gi training. Hello, I'm proud of my Gi. Hello, G.
It should be G.
My G. My G. That making okay. That C Veroba, she is part of her G training. Mema. That training and oh, that will blomole. Oh, okay. Ska Verenia C Veronica sister longer.
And Silver.
Oh, okay. So proud of my Gi training and kudos to Ewenyigba TV. We appreciate that. Benis Donko, but training, I see you. Kudos to you and your crew. We appreciate you, Benis, for that message. Godwin Kojo Agbanube, greetings to all workers of Ewenyigba TV. All right, we appreciate your messages. Messages on our van aren't stop. So you just go to Ewenyigba TV, drop a message there, and any day, anytime, we'll find it. And in fact, the whole world will watch it, you know. So never say program later, you can still drop a message. Okay. Tony McBoy, Iplomi, the Edbekwe, Ŋdi Wɔna, Madakafuma, Matro, G training. Matro, G training, Master, you find out what to go near.
I'm still stressing on the HIV something. Because we feel like meow so here the kumile kukuko ekwa making chocolate mega value. So let's me let benemia do kiwepa me have health issues especially me let benemia do kiwe mega komia do kiwe koke egbo all in the name of we are trying to meet our social care whatever it is. So let's just take very good care of ourselves. Yeah.
Okay. Prisla, training, G, where you come and Miss Madapono, Eva, Dover, Nam, Ŋdi Wɔna. Honorable Richmond Edem Kofi Botosu, Kenya whole central member of parliament, element gonna me plega, Idapano, Bagajembe Yawo, Doshim, and Woola Flimment, so Daka Bagajembe, ya, I'm preparing to plega, goes to Bamon on your focus and Idapano the matter, Medakwan and Muslim dictionary, Bola Hewa Clean, Ŋdi Wɔna Ŋdi Wɔna Dakaka. The Yamukata, then I'm never Joe. Yamukata don't have message. I don't take that for granted at all. Yeah, the your number, Neshino, program I won't go. Me, you know, Canada at your room of a so, my dark now. Can follow Tony McBoy word a bat of a sarope. Yeah. Tata, my name, you know,
bye bye. No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary, I can't so amphi, you pass K. No silence ever English dictionary. Standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can the basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allow the language you want. Then you make a maneuver view. And be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know how I must make a never view to rapport. And be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Yala dile boso so madana na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number I can follow screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can now sir. But if you African la, ya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno. Akwa. No silence ever English dictionary. And you tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you to Boye. Tanya too much toy. When you warm killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother too much to move. Come on, not go. That another Abraham, if you better kind of lay a party to Boye.
but the husband that didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapan or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yakokatara.
Well, not Chico,
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiero, wait off here.
Where you vola togo, you man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola Chica no plum, no Zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao, mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita, itanyeza vola Chica. Nyato matoro ha, was a vola Chica for Jijila, ama.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola efi valo akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now tomaru le fuda now achi de padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa wofuto wofuka ome wofuka matutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yonu nama viklede
Nane mano monsieur eye na mezwale de konakwanya mola menye de mefio yo ayaye pomlo